Okay, so this is our both weekly and daily cycle analysis for the light crude market. On the intermediate term, you can see we still have the RS being firmly down. So the highest odds right now are that we are forming a bear flag that is poised for one more move back on the downside. 414 to 623 is when that low is due. Jump over to the short term and use the RS to help you. Cycle trough, cycle peak based on the RS. You can see that. And then now cycle trough, right? Here was your turn back up. Here was your first close over the falling 21 EMA right here. That gave you the sign when you add in that the RS is now positive, that we are getting into that new rise, right? So you don't have to try to find bottoms. My overall goal at least is to try to be involved with and really have as little heat as possible, meaning see it move in my overall trading bias very quickly. And if you waited for that close over the 21, right, you only had one day here that only looked into right around halfway down of that bar, and then it has quickly turned in your favor, right? So that is what I'm really trying to highlight here is where could you have looked if you wanted to trade long CL, right? This was in a downtrend, formed its base, that is stage one. Stage two, close over the 21 EMA, right? That is your first sign that it is turning up. RS is positive. So if you wanted to be involved, you have a clear reason to, just based on this daily chart, right around 68.11 versus this higher low here at 66.06. So what is that risk? Right around 217. And right now you're up about 167. Would be looking for at least 210 or so on the upside towards that 70.37 to 71.95 area. Okay, so that's the look there, along with how you could have actually looked at this long just based on this daily chart. Obviously, we also like to use either the 2 or 4 hour, in my case at least, to help me with timing, but just using that daily chart to understand what kind of markers can you look for as you are trying to actually trade off of a key cycle trough.